morning everyone. Welcome to my channel Farming Life Thailand. Today we have 24 degrees, a perfect temperature to work on the melons. The row behind me, the melon plants, which I pruned last week, and this week I'm gonna stake them up as it is currently cold season and fungal disease, they spread like crazy. We have to provide them some good aeration so that the air is coming through and that the plants they are not just going along the floor, and that's the purpose why we have to stake them up. So afterwards I'm gonna do my work as usually and proceed with the 3 rows here. This is an example how I stake the plants up. So you have here the melon plants, and this is the prepared staking row. And the easiest way, which I figured out over the years, don't make a note, just pull it around the plant, wrap it once, pull it down like that, hold that, and afterwards take the plant and wrap it around the row like that. And there you go. That is the first staking, and throughout the process we're going to continue to stake it up so that the plant is following the rope upwards. The work is done, and I want to talk with you about what to look out for if you're going to stake. For example, the melon plants, they tend to be quite brittle, so it means they break off really fast. And the reason is actually that in the morning they have a lot of moisture, so they are not that flexible yet. So be careful if you do that in the early morning. If it's not too hot, I would do that in the afternoon. I mean after a couple of hours after the morning, then they won't break off like that. In the past, well, I broke off a lot of seedlings like that until the Dutch guy from whom I learned to grow melons told me do that a little bit later in the afternoon. But right now it's so comfortable to do that kind of work in the morning, so if you know how to handle that, you can do that in the morning. I personally avoid to completely stake them up, so the tip is the place where it likes to break off. So I just partially stake it up and leave the most brittle part just like that and do it another time. If you want to know more how I cultivate Japanese melons here in Thailand, subscribe on my channel and get updated what kind of other works I'm doing here at the farm. And you're most welcome to ask questions if you have any questions. And see you next time again when I'm doing my regular work.